Hello everyone, welcome to the Hindu editorial vocabulary series presenting by Diction Addiction. 5 minutes for 6 words and 6 sentences. These 6 words are collected from today's Hindu editorial titled Whatever It Takes on Gout Powers to Combat Vaccine Hesitancy. Hesitancy. The first word is hesitancy. Hesitancy. Hesitancy means indecision. Timidity means fearing of what will happen. A dilemma. They're not ready to take next step. That is what is called as not coming forward to take action. So that's what hesitancy. You see, studies measured high levels of vaccine hesitancy among general population and among healthcare workers. The first in the line of list of people to receive free vaccination. People are having a concerns to take vaccines. Probably not much of awareness, or government is not taking initiation to inculcate awareness of vaccination and its benefits. That is what is required. When they are more aware and they can take decision quickly. But when they are not aware of aware, then there is a hesitancy would be there. Next one is amenable. 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 Amenable means willing to accept or agreeable. Ready. Amenable. Amenable solutions. Modify. They are ready to accept it. Willing also you can use. You can see example. Faith in entities is often an act of personal commitment, not amenable to falsification. But trust in a scientific process can be established with the confidence building measures and full disclosure of all relevant data. Again, I'm reading. Faith in entities often an act of personal commitment, not amenable to falsification. But trust in scientific process can be established with the confidence building measures and full disclosure of all relevant data. When you have full information about the vaccines, and if you disclose every aspect of the vaccine, like safety, immunogenicity, and efficacy, right? And as well as adverse effect in a very rare condition, then people would ready to take it, right? They are amenable. Next word is falsification. Falsification. Falsification means forgery, counterfeit, to deceive someone. Document can be forgery. Forgery means changing the actual content to deceive someone. That's what is falsification. Deceiving means, providing not authentic documents. You can see example. Faith in entities often an act of personal commitment, not amenable to falsification. But trust in scientific process can be established with the confidence building measures and full disclosure of all relevant data. Next word is verily. 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 Truth. Real. Certainly. Verily. I verily believe that these accusations are false. I'm reading. I verily believe that these accusations are false. The next word is unequivocally. 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 Clearly or obviously. No doubt. When you use this word unequivocally, means 100% you are assured of what you are doing or you are talking. Purpose is very pure. A vaccine unequivocally is public good, but lack of transparency surrounding the rollout of the COVID vaccines has done little to enhance trust in this experiential principle. So vaccine is good, but who has to do with the apprehensions or fear among the general as well as the healthcare workers? If you take enough measures, then they are ready to take. They will think that this vaccine is good for them. Next word is experiential. Experiential. Experiential means experimental or practical or empirical. Means whatever you are speaking, whatever you are writing based upon the data, which can be touched, which can be repeated, which can be reproducible. If I say something is safe, I have to prove it. That's what is experiential. Experiential. Experimental or practical. You can say a vaccine unequivocally is public good, but the lack of transparency surrounding the rollout of COVID vaccines has done little to enhance trust in this experiential principle. Lunge. Lunge. Lunge means suddenly you are moving towards to grab or to catch something or diving. That is called as lunge. You see, this uncommon haste in trying to lunge towards the tape will still some distance from the finish line might have been justified if the state had taken the people along. It is a state in the sense country as well as from the prime minister to local ward person has to be aware of what is vaccine. At the same time, these people have to be part of creating awareness among the everyone around them. Then there won't be any kind of hesitance to take the vaccination. Phase. P-A-C-E, phase means speed, rate, at what phase the wind is blowing. Speed, it is what is speed or rate, you say phase. You can say example. The poor rate of if the full rate of the uptake of COVID-19 vaccine in most of the states in the country is any indication, the government has not taken the people of the country along in what is purely voluntary exercise, but one vested with the great power to retard the phase of the epidemic. So this is what is phase. High-handed, using a power to or power or authority without considering the feelings of others. In a sense, high-handed means they won't go by the data. If they say something, that's what is high-handed handling of the things. Power, authority will handle. In that case, you can use high-handed. Clearly, vaccine hesitancy was not addressed sufficiently or not taken seriously enough. With the sequence of events that followed the clearance of emergency use authorization in Covaxin, its emergency use authorization in clinical trial mode, a high-handed announcement with little attempt to put out compelling evidence in the public domain, or answer multiple queries in press conferences. Vaccine hesitancy merely dug its heels in deeper. When it comes to the vaccine hesitancy, authorities or regulatory authorities, if they could have approved the vaccine after completion of phase 3 clinical trial, this problem would have been not there. But they approved with the authority, but they forgot to clear the air on Covaxin. Covaxin is still in clinical phase 3, clinical trial phase 3 only. So some people they thought thinking that are we guinea pigs for Covaxin, right? So the one which is under clinical trial was given permission to approved for emergency use with a high-handed. Means with authority was there, but not the data. Authority was there to approve, but not the sufficient data was there to approve the vaccine. So because of that, people are having having a second thought to take vaccines. Instead, people could have been, people who are in the regulatory board could have answered all the queries from its stakeholders in a public domain. They could, like press conferences or notifications, so on. So these are the words I felt very useful for understanding this today's article. If at all you like it, give thumbs up. If you want, subscribe. If you for regular updates, please do subscribe for regular updates. If at all you like the video, just give thumbs up. Okay, thank you all for watching, and I'll come with the one more video tomorrow. Thank you all. Bye bye.